That's how you
okay,
go
guys.
That's how you go to Cedar Creek from here.
Oh, Cedar Creek from this way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And this way, Three Sisters. You see there's a sign. That's fine.
Sweet. Alright, guys. Again, me and my buddy Lee right here. Today, July 10th, 2012. We're gonna do Three Sisters Waterfall. We're gonna hike it. Okay, it's a short hike, about 3-4 mile hike, but it's steep. Again, Three Sister Waterfalls. Three Sister right there. Okay. So here we go. This is the trail. I'm loving it, and he's started eating berries and stuff like that. He knows all the plants. Mr. Lee right there again. It's beautiful area again, and it's hot. It is really freaking hot today. It's gonna be triple.
9:30.
90 degrees, and right now it's 9:30 in the morning. We just start hiking. Okay, so that'll give me an idea. Fuck, the 90 at 9:30. That's gonna be. And by the way, it's already triple. It's gonna be triple digit today, guys. So again, we're
Show Premecca.
Kayamaka. Oh yeah. By the way, guys, this is Kayamaka Peak right there, which we hopefully we'll do it next week. Me and Lee, we're gonna hike it next week. Okay, and look at this area right here. Again, it's not even like few trees, but it's all bushes. So we'll talk to you guys later. And Three Sister Waterfall, who will come? It's gonna be fun. There's a 500 feet vertical, I think, drop. There's ropes, and it's gonna be beautiful. Again, there's Lee right there. So go Lakers, and we'll be back. You know, I'll be documenting the whole trip later. Okay, guys, there's Three Sisters right there. See a section right there, that waterfalls. That's the top sisters, I think, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It is, yeah.
You can see the first and second one.
Yeah. There's a little bit of water running, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not too much. It's about the same amount of, what do you call it, the Cedar Creek. Oh, well, it wouldn't have enough much rain this year.
That's true.
At least they're running, I'll tell you what. And again, this is me and my buddy Lee right here.
Yeah.
Going to Three Sister Waterfalls. There's Lee. And look at all these right here. And by the way, last hike I did, it's called Cedar Creek Falls, and the trailhead Cedar Creek, it's all the way right there. See that big tree over there? Lee just told me about it. See, that's a tree right there. That's where the trailhead. You just take it from there, and you can hit both of them in one hike. But I love this area so much. I like to drive in here twice. So I did in two times. Again, this is the trail. Just the other trail that will take you to Cedar Creek right there too. And look at this. Again, this is Lee right there down. And now we're going downhill now. You know what they say, going down. You go down, you're gonna go up. So that's me, we're gonna take this up and we're gonna finish our hike. So it's a very short hike, but it's a fun one. There's Lee, and again, maybe now this view better for all the Three Sisters. Can you see all of them, kind of? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at the view. Yep. Three Sisters right there, guys. Bingo. Look at that. Voila. Three Sister Waterfalls. Okay. Fantastic. So we'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. Guys, this is toward the Three Sister Waterfall right here. And this way right here, this trail will take you to Eagle Peak right here. It's about a couple miles. What is it, like 2 miles to there?
Oh yeah.
About a couple miles, guys. But our hike going to Three Sisters, Three Sister Waterfalls, again near Julian, in San Diego County, California. And there's Lee right there. And guys, it is hot. Hot, 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 hot. But, whew, so beautiful. Ramidogg used it to hot weather. I hiked in 106, 108 degrees. You know, never. I think the hottest I ever hiked in 108 degrees. So we'll talk to you guys later. Again, go Lakers. Again, we are on Three Sister Waterfall Trail right here. Trail. And there's Lee right there. And the Three Sisters, they're behind that hill right there. So go Lakers. Look how beautiful it is right here. Look at that. So awesome. Liking it. Go Lakers.
Ramona lilac.
Ramona?
Yeah, it's my favorite type of lilac.
Ramona lilac?
Yeah, and then in like the springtime, it has these really beautiful purple flowers.
Purple for Lakers color. So I love this.
That's right.
Yeah, I love this one already.
A little forest over here.
This is cool, guys. Look at, we went down from, we're up right there, all the way there on top. Now we're in this valley. Oh, lost my hat. Lost my hat. Look at guys. Tree stole my hat. Tree stole my hat. Bad tree. Bad tree. Look at this. Oh, I love this section, dude. This is neat.
I just love the way that this.
Look at that. Hey Lee, what's up?
Yeah, I know. I love the way that the lilac, the bark looks. Kind of like.
This one?
Yeah. Pretty.
That's cool, dude. Dig this section.
There's a different lizard.
Oh, a lizard. Good eye sight. Another sight. Guys, this is beautiful right here. Look at this. Yeah, this is Lee. This is Ramidogg right here, guys. This section is probably one of my favorites so far.
It's a different type of climate, riparian.
Oh yeah.
Riparian ecosystem.
Yeah, see, he knows the vocab, guys. Ramidogg say it's fucking beautiful. It's so nice. And just bunch of fucking trees on top of each other. That's my vocab.
Anything within 20 feet of a creek is considered riparian.
Yeah, exactly. I can't pronounce that. Riparian. I can pronounce that damn word, dude.
Came from the chaparral to the riparian.
Yeah, yeah, I know chaparral. That's where the brushes and small bushes and I know riparian, but I can't pronounce it. Like I said, you know the right vocab. But no thank you, I can't even pronounce that damn thing, dude. This guy's is beautiful. Look at that trails. So beautiful. Oh.
Giant chain fern.
Giant what?
Chain fern.
Oh, fern, hey? There we go, right there, guys. He knows every plant name. Everyone. And here's a doctor right there. He's an ER doctor, and he knows every plant in the forest. Smart guy right there. I love him. Great guy. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. And we'll see you guys in a second. More documents. Go Lakers. Again, this is a beautiful section. Alright guys. This is right there. Okay. Getting close into it. See out there. Look at that view. Great view. So beautiful. Oh, quails. That's not quail.
No, it's different.
No, quail doesn't. I'm gonna zoom in. They don't fly in. They're only on land.
Is it a thrasher?
Can't see it very well from here. Gotta zoom in more. My camera only zoomed 10 times. My new camera zoomed 30 times. I don't have it on me right now. Yeah, there's Lee right there, guys. There's Lee right there. Downhill right now. Well, like I said, this hike, it's very similar to Cedar Creek. When you're from a trailhead, you lose a lot of elevation, you go down all the way. Then when you leave, it's gonna kick your ass, keep going up and up, and the way back, which is vice versa, reversal, you know, in other hikes. Again, look at this right there. Look at that view. Oh, look right there, man. This is such a good picture right here. Such a good view right here. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. This is, look at this. Look at that. Look at, this is awesome, dude. Okay guys, we'll talk to you guys there in a second.
Video me going down?
I'm gonna give you give you an idea how steep it is. Look at this. A lot of dust. Trying. Huh? Go right?
Well, in a second. Look at how steep it gets right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Whew. Oh man. Nice, look at that. I slide down there. Dude, look at, holy crap, bro. It's hard to tell on camera, but dude, it's steep.
Yeah, this part's a lot more manageable.
Woo, 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 woo. I can't do I want to do this one for fun.
Which one?
Yeah, take me a picture of that. Yeah.
Which one are you going to do?
This one. Yeah. I'm gonna slide in my ass. Okay, let me see. And where do you go? Yeah, keep going. Okay, so it's crossroad right there.
Yeah, they all go down.
Okay, it crosses. I'm just gonna do the steep one right here. Oh, dude, this is gnarly right here. Whoo! Prepare to take some pictures. Me tumbling down. Oh, dude, I'm an idiot. I should not be doing this. Guys, I should not be doing this. This is so steep right here. Slide down. Holy shit, dude, it's steep. Oh, dude! That's not the smartest thing I ever did, babe. Holy shit. I'm an idiot. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa! Huh? This is good right here. No, it's easy, I think. Oh. Holy crap, dude, I did this. Guys, this is it. Take a picture. Dude, I know you. Holy crap. This is gnarly. Yeah, this is the easy part, I think. Oh, I hope I didn't lose my wallet down there. I mean, up there. Woo! Man, hello!
Hello.
Oh, I slid my ass all the way down.
Well, there's still a lot more to slide down, too.
I know. How you doing, man?
Doing great.
How are you?
Good. The second pool at the waterfalls is like, there's a lot of water in it. Good.
Oh, what? Okay, good, right on.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Bailey.
Bailey, Rami. That's my buddy Lee right there. Nice to meet you, Bailey.
Lee.
Rami and Lee.
Awesome.
Ramidogg, man. Nice to meet you there.
You too. Good luck.
Thank you, man.
Water for the slide? No. Yeah. It's barely just trickling. But yeah, the second pool is the only place you
Good.
can really get in. Nice.
Cool. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep.
All right, boss.
Second pool it is.
Yep. So dusty. You have an idea, guys. This is so steep. This is awesome. Just going up is gonna kick my ass.
One step at a time.
Now we're going down. 4 hours to go up. Okay, guys. Still going down. Waterfall's right there. Can't wait to dip my fish in the water. This is all downhill right there. Whew. Okay, guys. I'm gonna keep it the tip until the bottom. There's somebody left trash here. We gotta pick it up. Come here. Because on the way up, I don't think I'm gonna have the energy to pick this up, so I'll pick it up right now. Huh? Dude. Almost there. I know this section is gonna be all shaky, but I have no way around it because it's so steep. There's Lee right there. Oh, that's all trash. Oh, be careful. That's all trash right there to your right.
Yep.
Can you put them on my backpack,
Yeah.
please?
Yeah.
Look, whoa.
Dangerous.
Huh?
Rock's dangerous.
Yeah, that's. Look, we're gonna pick up this trash and keep going.
Yeah.
Look at all the trash here, people leave. Hit them. Hit them, hit them, hit them. Just put it on the side right now, and we'll take it later. See, guys, we pick up all the trash. This is gnarly. This is so hot right now, guys, too. Thank you, Lee.
Yeah.
See? Lee's picking. They're gonna kick our ass, guys. Okay, so that's good right there. That's good. Bedrock. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Whew. There you go. Now on a little bit flat surface. Yep. There you go. That was the adventure right here, guys. That was steep, Holly. Yep. So we'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. We'll see you guys at Waterfall. Later. That was gnarly. Guys, this section, this is about 100 feet. These guys climbing it right now, because these guys pimped. What's up, guys? How you doing? Yeah. You took the rope down. Can't easy with this. Keep going. I'm with your tip, you big dog. Go for it. You strawberry. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nicely done. That's sick, dude. Yeah, guys, go ahead up. I'll with you guys too. Awesome. Nice. Good job, guys. How is it? Guys have fun?
Strenuous, yeah, strenuous.
Good time.
Worse than Mount Woodson. Have you been to Mount Woodson?
No, I hiked Mount Whitney a month ago.
But Mount Woodson is
It's yeah.
But this one's
This
more,
is tough.
Yeah.
This is really gnarly.
Yeah.
It gets funner down the road.
Yeah, you're gonna have
That's
a good
good.
time over there.
Cool. Where are you guys from?
San Diego.
Oh, San Diego, right on. Nice. We're from San Clemente.
San Clemente? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
next door.
Yeah.
Cool. Fuck yeah, man. I'm gonna throw you the camera now. Yeah, I document everything of mine. And okay, so guys, hey, you guys too, have a good day, guys. See you guys have a great time. They're from San Diego, they're awesome. So I'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. Later.
Here we go. Indiana Jones style.
Straight up, baby. From dog, baby.
Climbing down some roots.
Fun stuff. Motherfucker. This little bird hold me. Damn it. Trash.
Yeah.
Gotta pick it up. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Nice.
Good, man.
It's a good little
Still
climb.
about 15 feet high.
Yeah.
There's some more here, guys. The waterfall should be any minute. Yeah. But like I said, we don't have enough. Really, this here is not going to be a lot of water. So, and talk of a bunch of people on the trail on the way here. So the second sister got most of the water. So, I'm gonna hike to the second sister. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of fun hiking here.
Look at the monkey flower.
Huh?
Monkey flower.
Oh yeah.
Red monkey flower.
This is red monkey flower, guys. The waterfall over there, so I'll be back. Guys, let me give you an idea how steep this is. See, this is the hill on top right there. Okay, there's 5 hikers going up right now. This is a trail, just straight solid up. See, I did the one to the right. I took it down, slid my ass. Everybody go to the left, because the one to the right, not many people does. And the ropes, about like right there somewhere, like in this section right there exactly. Again, these are hikers right there. This is gnarly hike, guys. Again, this is, and it's 100, it's probably 100 degrees right now. It started 90 at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 in the morning. Start hiking. This is a trail right there. Give you an idea. This hike, the going up, I'm not looking forward to at all. And I kick my ass. Thank God. I mean, I'll do it, but I have a lot of water, thank God. And we'll see. It's just gonna be gnarly. Man, look at it. Yo! Lovely, you see those guys on the trail? Yeah, that's gnarly, man. Talk to you guys later. Guys, we're gonna explore here a little bit, me and Lee. Supposed to be some caves under the rocks here. Oh, dude, that's sick. Oh, man.
That's not the chill.
Look at that. Guys, this is awesome. Can't kick it here now. Whew. Look at this, is just a view. It's so sick, look at that.
Set up a hammock in here.
Dude, this is awesome.
You could easily do it.
Yeah. Live here for good. Whew. Look at this right there. This is the view from here.
Yeah, look how steep those cliffs
Oh,
are.
from here. Huh?
Look how steep those cliffs are.
Yeah. Fudge. That's gnarly. Alright guys, talk to you guys there. Pictures time. Slippery. 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 You guys, we're now fine with that Three Sisters. See it? 1, 2, 3. Bunch of people. Listen to music on top. This is sister number 1. Waterfall is not much. Nothing. It's in July and it's Southern California. What do you expect? Winter there's gonna be there, so. Anyway, this is Three Sisters. Waterfall right here. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. The Lakers, they're asleep there right now. Give you an idea how steep and how big this waterfall. It's a good sized waterfall. 3 drops. That's what they call Three Sisters. Sister 1, 2, 3. That's a trail right there too. That's super steep. Okay. Should be over there. So I'll talk to you guys there when I get to Lee's there. Go Lakers. Now we're at 3 second sister right here. There's the third one right there. On top right there. Second sister right here, listen to some techno. Oh, Lee's gonna jump in. Go for it, Lee. Yeah, Lee. He's already ready to go. Oh yeah, feels good, huh?
Oh, it feels great.
Good. It's the size of my store. It's a good lake. You just sent away about 10 gallons. If I jump in,
then you slide down.
yeah. Look at that's funny. Look at that. It's literally.
I just sliced 10 gallons.
Yeah.
Figuring out my mass.
Yep. Alright guys. I'm gonna take off here. Huh? Oh yeah, this is gnarly. Whew. Guys, this is a trail. See it? He's loving it. So we'll talk to you guys there. Go Lakers. Rami love it too. Okay guys, we're going. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that cam. Oh, look at all the trash. Jeez. I'm not liking this. Stupid people, man. Huh? Steve? Good. He's loving it. He's loving it. Me, there's no way I'll go in the water. There's a fire there too. Yeah. He's just kicking it. So we'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. At least there's a lot of water now. The waterfall is not running, but what do you expect? It's California in July. Go Lakers. I see. Go Lakers, guys. Okay, guys. Now we're time to leave. About to leave the Three Sister Waterfalls. Again, it's a great hike. Okay, it's my buddy Lee right there. And this trail, here we come. It's gonna be so steep going up. It's gonna kick our ass. Going down is easy, but going up, that's a gnarly part about it. So some cool stuff though. Beautiful hike. Short and very challenging. Hi guys, how you doing? Well guys, we got a couple here. Well, thank you guys. Going down, going up, then going up, way up. Damn hike. You guys have a wonderful time, alright? Thank you guys. Okay guys, you gonna take that one out there? Alright. Fabulous. Different way now. See that? There's this trail over there. So I'll talk to you guys again. There's the Three Sisters right there. And we're leaving them. And go Lakers, and we'll talk to you guys later. He's going this way, I'm going this way. Let's see. Yep. It's right here. It's right there. Go.
Should've went high.
Huh?
Should've went the other way.
So good. Oh, I see, yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah, no shit. So how am I gonna get this with one hand? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It was close. Go right. It's a guessing game, man. It's bouldering. That's the cool thing about these trails. You just guess, you know?
Yep.
If you make it, you make it. You make it, you die.
Alright, so this is deadlier.
Okay guys, we'll talk to you guys there. There.
On video.
Oh, what do you call this again?
Deadlier.
What is it?
Deadlier.
Deadlier? Deadlier.
Live forever.
That thing's beautiful.
Yeah, I could be looking at it from this angle. It's insane.
It's like pinkish. Everything's amazing. That's crazy. Yeah, look at these boulders. Sorry, Marcus. We'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. Later. Awesome. Good job, Lee. Okay. Let's see if Ken Rami do it with one hand. No. Huh? Nobody recommend it. I don't even recommend it. No. But I'm an idiot. Nice. Very good. Whew. Now it will be gone. Now we'll talk to you guys later. That will not be able. My half an hour all the way up. This is the steepest trail so far. Go Lakers. I'm gonna be huffing and buffing. Look. Guys, I can't even talk. Literally. Tell you guys I'll be huffing and buffing. Kick my ass. Man.
Thank God there's a breeze.
Thank God. Oh God, one more uphill.
Last push.
That's a waterfall all the way down there, guys. That's what's there. Still about over 100 degrees. So, yeah. It's like 1:30 right now. What time is it?
150.
1:50, guys, 2 o'clock. Just by the duck right there, my mouth is so dry now. More water. Talk to you guys there, I'm out. Whew. It's too fucking hot. Too steep. Go Lakers. Seriously. Guys, huffing buffing this trail kicked my ass. Literally. Three Sister Waterfalls. It's over 100 degrees, probably 104, 105, 106. Just hot. Yeah, I'm hot. Hi, Lee. Woo! It's nice to breeze here. Still 106, 110. Guys, kick my ass here. Okay, guys, a couple more pictures and we'll get the hell out of here. Go Lakers again. Today, July 10th, 2012. Me and my buddy Lee. 107. Go Lakers. Bye-bye.
Hey, 107.
I said, huh?
107.
107 degrees, guys. It's 107 degrees right now. Do you feel like so like it? Even feel hotter. 107. Jesus. That's why I kicked my ass. Dude, I am out right now. I hacked my Whitney, and this little bitch kicked my ass. Anyway, guys, we'll talk to you guys there. Go Lakers. Again, 107 degrees. July 10th, 2012. Go Lakers. Me and my buddy Lee, we hiked Three Sister Falls near Julian, California.